Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a pasta which I had during my recent travels. I'm really craving for it. Let's see if we can nail this recipe down. So we'll be making penne with jalapenos, baby spinach and mushrooms. Let's get started. I've just cooked the pasta. Make sure it's cooked al dente. Now we'll make our sauce, for which I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil, some butter, and we'll saute some minced garlic. We'll saute this garlic till it's just about cooked, to start turning color. We don't need to brown it too much. I've got some chopped jalapenos here. You can use fresh jalapenos or pickled ones. I'm using pickled. Now I'll put in some mushrooms. I'm using shimeji mushrooms. You could use sliced button mushrooms, shiitake, whatever is available. We saute the mushrooms till they're about cooked. Now I'll add in my sun-dried tomatoes. These are sliced. Now we'll add in our cooked penne. I'm going to add a little bit of this pasta water. Always save your water from the pasta because it adds a lot of flavor to the sauce and makes it a little silky. Some salt, black pepper, and finally baby spinach. Parmesan cheese, and there we go. Our jalapeno, baby spinach, mushroom penne pasta is ready. How quick was that? Pretty close, I must say. Do try this super easy recipe and give me your thoughts in the comments below.